thinking about leveling up your content game, but you're not sure if Foxy AI is legit or just another overhyped scam. I've dug deep into user reviews, tested the features, and here's my honest take for 2026. So, what exactly is Foxy AI? It's an AI-powered content generator that's caught the attention of creators, influencers, and marketers with super realistic photos and even AI twins. Basically, a digital version of yourself that can chat with fans 24/7. Pretty futuristic, right? Now, is it actually legit? Foxy AI is the real deal. Tons of creators are using it to pump out studio-quality AI portraits, reels, and short videos faster than ever. In fact, Trustpilot reviews praise Foxy AI for making photos that don't look plasticky or fake, something a lot of competitors struggle with. But I know what you're wondering. Is there a catch? Here's the tea. Some users have run into issues with cancellations. A few people got charged even after canceling, so if you sign up, I'd recommend using a virtual credit card or being super clear on their cancellation policy. Let's talk about features. Foxy AI lets you upload your own photos, customize every detail, outfits, scenes, poses, and get high-quality images in seconds. You don't need editing skills, and their support team, shout out to Zara, is known for being super responsive. But it's not free. Pricing is credit-based, about $10 for 15 credits, which works out to maybe 30-60 cents per image. If you're used to paying for pro photographers, you might actually save money. But if you're on a tight budget, it can add up fast. So, is Foxy AI worth your money? If you're serious about building your brand with top-tier content, it's a solid, legit tool. Just be cautious with subscriptions. Always check the fine print before you commit.